This video shows how to design a new month flyer, just like this one. Welcome to this channel. It's your friend Ayodeji Peter from Tech Media. Alright, today we will be designing with Adobe Photoshop. First thing to do is to create a new document. You can do that by clicking create new. If you are using the same fashion with mine, you should see create new. In other way, you can create new document by going to file in the menu bar. The first option there is new. Click this, then set the details. Change the name, use 10 by 10 inches for the width and height, resolution to 300. Make sure this is inches, RGB color and 8 bits, then create. You will have this if you follow the previous step correctly. The background color we'll be using is black, but since we don't set our background color to black at present details, I will be using black rectangle. Select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Change the fill color to black and zero the stroke size. Once you are done with that, import the image you want to use for background. As usual, I have everything saved in a folder. Now increase the size to fill up the space left and right and bring it up. Reduce the opacity to 20%. You can do that by adjusting this or just press 2 on your keyboard. Once you are done with that, rasterize the layer. To do that, right click on the layer and select rasterize layer. Add a layer mask. Select the brush tool, make sure the foreground color is black and make the following settings. Select soft round brush, reduce or increase the size if necessary and zero the hardness, opacity to 50%, flow 100% and smoothing 10% and apply to the image gently. And now we have the background. To avoid disarrangement, group the two layers and lock it. Proceed to text, add all the required text and begin the arrangement. Change the font, increase the font size and the position. When you are done with the text arrangement, add your logo and the contact information. I have it done and saved as PNG previously. I will just import it. Now, let's assume you are working with white background. You know this logo won't be showing. All you have to do is to change the overlay color, and you can do that by selecting blending option and select color overlay. Then you choose any other color. Let's export and see what we have designed. Come to File and select Export As. Change the quality. You can use very good, excellent and great, any of the three, and click Export. Let's preview the flyer and compare. You can see there is slight difference, which doesn't mean anything. You may want to save the Psd template. Just go to File and select Save or Save As. Then make sure this is selected as Photoshop and click Save. If you find this video helpful and you really want to appreciate, kindly hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe and remember to put on the notification. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.